Hello viewers, again welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your good response for our videos. So in this video we show you a very amazing and interesting ideas of mason jars recycles and bottle recycle and upcoming season, and we give you advice to create your own business, create your own brand and recycle bottle and make a masterpiece, make a centerpiece, something different like that. In this video we show you very beautiful designs of recycled mason jars and trash jars ideas, and you can make this season into masterpiece. Trash make treasure and this ordinary piece into some extraordinary piece. So this video gives you a stylish and amazing aesthetic ideas of jars and bottle recycle. Every homes have jars, useless jars and bottles, and we trash it, and who know what will happen with it. What happened with it? It's lots of garbage uh, and lots of useless things in oceans and planet. So it's useful and eco-friendly for our earth and our planet. This is very useful and amazing ideas to recycle and recreate your own business. Bottle recycling, bottle reuse, recreate designs of bottle ideas and some X-Max touch. So in this video we're gonna show you very amazing and interesting ideas of bottle recycling, because the wastage is very, trash bottle is very unhealthy for our planet, our earth, ocean, because this is not the way. Because one trash bottle is live in ocean almost 100 years of it, but it doesn't trash. So we should have to recycle it, and we should have to something to do with it. So this is the eco-friendly and budget-friendly ideas. You can create your own business with it, and you can make something different like that. So hope you like that all designs, and tell me about what do you think about that. These are great ideas or not. Our viewers is really support us. In this video we gonna show you we gives you very interesting and amazing ideas. So with Geoprot, with some colors, added some glass color, and this gonna be or will be a rock. It will make your centerpiece, your table centerpiece, and it will make the perfect for your home. So you can create it, you can sell it, and whatever you want to do. So it's time to grow business, it's time to do something different, because this festival is not just about togetherness, happiness, but it's also about, it's time to grow business, sell something, earn something, give something, and spread something, spend something. So spend for loved ones. If you have something, then you will do, so then you will give. So it is the perfect time to earn something special. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay tuned till the end, watch till the end. This is a very interesting and amazing video. Hope you like their all designs. And today we dive into the world of very beautiful bottle recycling idea, bottle decorations ideas, and beautiful designs of bottle crafting. So viewers, we are trying to bring for you very beautiful and amazing collection of bottle recycling, very beautiful and amazing interesting designs of collection, bottle recycling, bottle painting, bottle decorating ideas, very beautiful designs. So these are very amazing collection of bottle recycling, and you can get these ideas from this video, and hope you understand how to make this. And it's time to grow your business, so make some different types of article like painted, wall decorated, wall hanging, lantern, pencil holder, and upload few pictures on social media platform, and you can earn followers, and you can earn, if your article is powerful, if your project is powerful, you can definitely earn audience, so you can earn followers. So if you made best videos, best ideas, and best designs, so watch full video, and we show you a very beautiful and interesting designs So let's have a look till the end. So viewers, our designs gives you a different types of collection, different types of ideas, like bottle painting, glass painting ideas, bottle recycling ideas, bottle paint and decorate with the jute craft. So these ideas are very impressive and very beautiful. If you want to watch more designs like this, so definitely you can join us on YouTube channel, and you can watch more designs like this. So tell me about your opinion. Bring the holiday spirit to your home with these beautiful wall hanging X-Mix decorations from Santa Ham Floral. So these ideas are very impressive and powerful for you. These ideas can help you to grow business, to grow ideas. These ideas helps you. Makes your designs more beautiful with jute and add something flowers touch, add some golden touch. These ideas are very impressive for you. If you want to know more designs, if you want to watch more these colorful ideas, more these colorful designs like this, you can join us. And you can, in this video, as you can watch in this video, these designs are very beautiful, and I personally really like it, and you can make easily at home. And you also can grow your business with these ideas, these crafting ideas, bottle, jar recycle, bucket recycle ideas. Plastic bucket you can turn into centerpiece. It means trash into treasure. You can turn trash into treasure. So what do you think about it? Tell me in comment section, and we will be very thankful to you if you tell me about these. If you tell me about these ideas and designs, we will definitely thankful to you, because your precious time is more precious for you, and you came out with this time and write comment. So really very thankful to you. And in this video we show you a very beautiful jars ideas, beautiful jars designs,